Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable call recording in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to enable call recording in your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app and here just go to general, go to software update, and very first I recommend you have to try to update your software. After updating software, just simply go back from here and just go to apps section, look for phone app here, and once you find phone app, you just have to select this, then scroll down and look for call recording here. So here you'll get the audio call recording feature. Just select this and enable this from here. So once you have enabled, your call will automatically record it in your iPhone. Or you have a second way, you have to open your app store, just go for search and simply search for call recorder, and you will get a lot of apps which provide the call recording service. So you just have to install anyone from here and you can easily use that by recording your calls. So in this way you can easily record calls in your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.